Chili in mint sauce? I say, what has the world come to? One must calm down and chill down, as they... Huh? I say. Whoa, that's a lot better than calm and chilled. I want fresh, vibrant and full of energy any day of the week. Do you? Well, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to make my fresh mint sauce and serve it up 4 different ways. That's right, 4 ways to pimp up any dish. Do you like the sound of that? It's coming up in just a mo. Hey guys, Ash here at The Cheeky Indian, bringing you our take on Indianish food that will blow your taste buds apart. And in just a moment, we're going to be making my fresh banging mint sauce. But before I do, just a massive quick reminder to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Remember, all the ingredients and links are in the description below. And we've got a brand new recipe blog where you can print off our recipes and see in-depth method, even today's recipe. So are you ready? Are you ready to get fresh and minty? Well, let's go. Let's get cracking. Now this mint sauce is proper fresh and so easy to make. It's going to be made in a couple of minutes, literally. Now I'm not going to talk you through these, but I want you to get your eyes used to the ingredients. So if you're going to be using a bit of yogurt there, remember you can use plant-based ingredients to replace any of the dairy products we're using today. Remember, for the coriander and cilantro, the stalks are fine, but for the mint, we just want the leaves. So I'm going to use a Nutri bullet for this. I love them. They work really well for these quick chutneys and sauces. So far we've put in the coriander and the mint leaves. We've got 3 green chilies. Now we've got some salt, chili powder and turmeric just going in there. 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, about 1/2 inch of ginger. Now I'm using white vinegar, but feel free to use lemon juice. And a little bit of cold water here just to loosen up the mix. Now I know that was quick, but don't worry. Remember, the link to the ingredients is in the description so you won't miss a thing. Now we want to blend this to a lovely pulp. Whoa, that's really loud. Well, I hope your blend is a bit quieter than mine. Oh my god, just look how vibrant the sauce is. Look at the colour. Remember to have a little taste. Make sure it tastes exactly like you want it to. That tastes perfect. So this is our base mint sauce, number 1 out of 4. This goes with any kind of meat, absolutely great with lamb, wicked with falafels, trust me. And I'm going to talk about that a bit later on. Number 2, everybody's favourite, minted yogurt. That's right, your favourite Indian restaurant condiment. So we're going to add about 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Remember, plant-based can work as well. To about 2 teaspoons of mint sauce. Just mix that until it's creamy. About 30 seconds later, you'll have this gorgeous sauce. It's easy as that. Right, so are you ready for 3 and 4? Can you guess what they are? Well, hold both your hands up. There we go. We've got minted mayo and minted hummus. Perfect. Same again, 2 teaspoons of our base mint sauce. Whack it on. For the mayo, just mix it up nicely. And for the hummus, fold it in so you've got lovely swirls of the mint. So that's our 4 takes on our base mint sauce. Absolutely beautiful. Just check how fresh and vibrant they are. So remember, I talked about the falafel. Do you love falafel? Who doesn't, right? Well, check out my recipe for falafel from scratch. You'll love how simple, quick and easy this recipe really is. So remember guys, to hit like if you've liked the video today, and if you've added some value, giving you a new recipe to think about, smash subscribe. Don't miss a single video that we're going to be coming out with. A million thank yous guys, and remember the next video is coming up right now, so we'll see you there.